What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hustle World and people, it's giveaway time. I'm ready to give this away. And you need to know that 3 weeks came by super quick, people. And yeah, I've been anticipating this day. Glad to give these away. I do want to let you know that we're going to have more giveaways to come. So if your name doesn't get called, trust me, we're going to have more. The stuff that we buy to review that we're not going to keep, that we're not going to use, are going back to the people, to the subscribers. And truly, people, mainly thank you for the 10,000 subscribers, because it brought about a couple of extra perks with the channel as well, and I appreciate it. And those of you all who have been supporting my Amazon link down below, thank you. That's going to help me to do more product reviews. So if you choose to go down and go through that link, I will appreciate it. I do get a small commission for that, and thank you. Now, by no means is Google or YouTube or any other manufacturer, so far as the products that I'm giving away, are a part of this giveaway at all. Cool? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's get this started, people. We're gonna call out some names. We're gonna use the random picker, and again, we got more giveaways coming. So if your name doesn't get called, trust me, people, it will get called. All right. So with that being said, we're gonna start off with the small one. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's punch the button on the random picker. All right, congratulations to Angel Maldonado. Congratulations, you have won this pack, which you can put your cell phone in here, you can put your keys, you can put your IDs. This is good for traveling, good for vacations, and good to put some personal things away on your hip when you're out and about. So congratulations to Angel. Everybody say congratulations to Angel. And let's go ahead, let's check out winner number 2. Let's hit the button once again. Congratulations, Scott Norris. You are a winner, my friend. You definitely have been loyal to the channel. I appreciate all your comments daily, and thank you for helping me to get to where I am. Now, you're going to be the winner of the Alki 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. So this is going to keep you powered up on the go. I'm telling you, I got one. I use it. I keep it for just in case, although I got the Galaxy Note 9, which pretty much carries me through the whole day, but you never know what's gonna happen. All right, let's find out and see who winner number 3 is. Congratulations, Josh Smith. You are a winner, my friend. You are a winner. Congratulations. You are a winner of the Bluetooth power bank. Now, this is also a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank and a Bluetooth speaker. So if you need to pair up your smartphone to this so you can listen to your music and or any other music source, you can. You can put this in the office, the kitchen, your bedroom, nightstand, wherever you want to put this at, and you can power up your devices at the same time. This is going to be a cool device to have around for just in case as well. So Josh Smith, make sure you get my email. It's going to be in the comment section down below. Everybody, you got to email me. I need your address, your information, so I can send you your products, okay? Your gifts. And again, congratulations, Josh. Let's check out, last but not least, and see who number 4 is. Congratulations, Jackie. Jackie, you are a winner. Congratulations. Now you win the headphones, right? The Legato. These are nice. These are very nice. Got nice bass. It's a blend of highs and mids. This sounds nice. My wife told me don't use the word re-gift, so we won't say re-gift, okay? But congratulations to all the winners. Listen, people, if your name didn't get called, trust me, it will get called at the next one, possibly at the next one. Now, we got more gifts that we're going to give away. We're getting ready to start purchasing more stuff. The holidays are coming up as well, and we definitely want to try to give something away for the holidays, okay? You got Black Friday coming up. You got Christmas that's coming up, and we are going to give away some other things really soon, way before Christmas. So look out for that, people. Again, thank you for everything. Thank you for the 10,000 subscribers, and also thank you for everything that you do for the channel. I really, really appreciate it. All right, you all, I'm going to get out of here. I got to continue to rest my foot so I can get ready to go back to work sometime by the end of the week. And you guys, listen, it's time to get back on the Monday grind. I hope you guys got rested up. I hope you're ready. Remember, just continue to grind hard now, and it'll be over with really, really soon. All right, you all, I'm going to see you at the next video. Peace out, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.